Alright, so time to take that mechanism out for a cleaning. That's the one that does the dates. So it's spring driven, and there's a little time mechanism here like in a music box, and sometimes you have to give it a little bit of a push for it to work. So I think it's just the spring wheel somewhere in here, some goop in there that prevents it from turning freely. So I probably have to disassemble the whole thing, which is going to be fun. And let's see these fresh from the cleaning bath here. So those should be like new. So now I've mounted the regulator. Look at that. Ooh, it wants to work good. So it looks promising. It's back into place, and I managed to synchronize everything, which wasn't easy. So it shows is the 8th of, and here you can see the month is the 3rd, so it should be March, 8th of March. And I got it finally synchronized to the right, showing the right thing. And the good news is that if I advance it manually, I'll go to the 9th and the 10th, which it wouldn't do before. So here it's on the 10th. Let me advance it manually. You can see the spring driven mechanism flipping it slowly. So looks good. We'll do a full test shortly.